If you're planning a trip and need a place to stay, Booking.com is one of the easiest platforms to find and book hotels anywhere in the world. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to book a hotel on Booking.com step by step, even if you've never used the platform before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search for hotels, compare different options, and complete your booking quickly and safely. First, open your web browser and go to the Booking.com website, or open the Booking.com mobile app on your phone. On the home page, you'll see the search section. Start by entering the city, destination, or hotel name in the search box. After that, select your check-in and check-out dates. Then choose the number of guests and rooms you need. Once you've filled in these details, click the search button to see the available hotels. Booking.com will now show you a list of hotels and accommodations in your selected destination. You can scroll through the results to see different options along with their prices, ratings, and guest reviews. On the left side of the page, you'll also find filters that help you narrow down your search. For example, you can filter hotels based on price range, star rating, property type, amenities, or distance from the city center. Using these filters makes it easier to find a hotel that fits your budget and preferences. When you find a hotel that looks good, click on it to open the full listing. Here you'll be able to see detailed information about the hotel, including photos, room types, guest reviews, facilities, and location. Take a moment to read the reviews and check the hotel's rating to make sure it meets your expectations. Next, choose the room type you want and click the Reserve or Book Now button. You'll then be asked to enter the guest details such as your name, email address, and sometimes your phone number. Some hotels may require a credit card to secure the booking, while others allow you to pay at the property when you arrive. After filling in your details, review your booking information carefully and confirm the reservation. Once the booking is completed, Booking.com will send you a confirmation email with all the details of your hotel stay, including the booking reference and check-in instructions. Summary: in this tutorial, we covered how to search for hotels on Booking.com, use filters to find the best options, review hotel details and ratings, and complete a reservation step by step. Booking.com makes it simple to compare different accommodations and secure a hotel that fits your travel plans and budget. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.